Hi everyone, welcome to BeamClue Revit tutorial. So this is a Q&A session. So someone is asking why they are getting the message of unable to cut the solid with the void. Okay, so there are a few reasons. The first reason is I'm going to demonstrate to you. Okay, let's say I have a model, a wall over here. I'm going to create a simple wall over here. This is a separate geometry. Okay. Then from the front view, I'm trying to cut a void to the wall here by using this void place component model in place here. I'm going to place your generate model, okay? Model number 1. Then I place the void extrusion over here. Then I pick a plane, let's say a plane of north and south, because I'm looking at south elevation. And you click OK. Then let's say I draw a void over here, to void, cutting a void here. Okay, then finish the model. So you say that don't cut anything. Okay, so I can't do anything. I just press cancel, then finish the model. I also can't do anything because it basically can't detect the wall at the plane there. Okay, so I have to delete the element. So yes, okay, that's how frustrating. Okay, but you know that you're going to form a void over there. Then the next things that so the solution of that I'm going to show you later on. The next situation is like I'm going to create a new family there. Then I'm going to start with generate model, open. Let's say I form an extrusion there, simple extrusion here, finish. So from a 3D view it looks like this. Okay, so from the reference level I'm going to create something like a void form over here. Just cut a void there. Okay, finish. So that's the thing. If I inside the family editor, I can cut a void there, then the void can cut through the solid. Okay, so because it's fall under one working environment, and then the void be able to detect this as a solid. So that's how's the Revit function. Okay, then if I move that void going out from the solid, so it generate nothing. It basically cut through nothing, but it won't generate arrow. So that's the way Revit function. Okay, so I'm going to delete that. Okay, let's say I load this family back into the project here. So I place this family over here. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a void from here. By doing the same thing, I'm going to, let's say, architecture tab here. I'm going to model in place, and I select the generate model. Then on model number 1, I form a void there, create a void extrusion by using the same ways. Okay, finish. So the same arrow coming out. Okay, I can't do anything. It won't allow me to form any void there. Okay, so this is because the void form can't detect that solid, can't detect the external family as a solid. Okay, so you won't cut through anything. So basically, how are we going to resolve this? Okay, I'm going to delete this. So when you try to model some elements, let's say model in place, then when you're going to generate model or a wall, let's say I'm going to model a wall just now by using this generate model. Now this time I form a wall here by using the generate model. Okay, I'm going to do extrusion here, an extrusion like this. So I'm basically forming a wall. Okay, I finished that. Okay, So now I have 3D walls also here. When I click on this is a wall. Okay. So when I'm going to do the same thing here, I create another extrusion model in place. Then I'm going to create a generate model again. So this time I'm going to form a void also, void extrusion. I'm going to draw something like this, void extrusion, finish. The same error coming out, this skipping coming out. So you are quite frustrating. Okay, so we're going to press cancel. I can't do anything. Then we finish that modeling of void. So that's, I guess that is your problem. Okay, how do we resolve that now? So the first thing that we need to do is I'm going to come to here, and then I'm going to edit the in place. So now from here you can draw a void. Now void extrusion, draw void here, then finish that, then finish the model. Now then from the south elevation here, you can actually see there's the void is formed inside here. You can see now from the 3D view. So you can see I've actually already cut through that wall. Okay, so now this time the Revit can detect the wall. So basically what I'm going to tell you that it should be work under one environment, which is when you are doing the in place or when you are doing that modeling of the family itself. You should complete the void cutting in the modeling of that that wall, let's say that wall of family environment. Okay, so that's simple. Finish. So if you are doing something like a wall, you want to cut through the wall, basically using the wall tool, right? You can't do anything else, and unless you're going to edit the wall profile itself. Let's say I want to cut a wall over here, then finish that, then you form a void like this. Okay, so you can't use the same tool like generate model, then use a void to cut through that wall. Okay, so I guess that's all for the clarification and then for the Q&A session. Thanks for joining, and please share, like, and support us. And if you want to know more about Revit and to enroll to our course, we will welcome you. And our platform is on the Teachable. Okay, thank you.